What if a single box on your canvas could see, hear, and think, live? No streaming software. No servers. Just one block. Meet the Grafux Stream block. So, what is it? Grafux is a visual canvas, where every block is a live capability you can wire together. The Stream block turns one node into a real-time camera and microphone broadcaster, with artificial intelligence built right in. It takes a question as input, and gives you back an answer, a live transcript, and a status, as data you can connect to anything else on the canvas. Now, normally, going live is a whole project. You wrestle with OBS, RTMP endpoints, media servers, transcoding pipelines, and piles of glue code just to get a picture on a screen. It's fragile, it's fiddly, and it's a lot to maintain. Grafux collapses every bit of that into a single click. All the plumbing? Gone. Here's the entire setup. Step 1. Click the Camera plus Stream button on the toolbar. Step 2. Give your block a name and hit Create. Step 3. Press Run. That's it. Your camera and microphone open instantly, a live self-view appears right on the block, and the badge turns green. You are broadcasting to the world in seconds, not hours. And under the hood, it just works. Your camera and mic are captured, encoded into WEBM chunks, and pushed over a WebSocket to the Stream server. There, a transcoder rewrites them into standard H.264 video the moment they arrive. You don't configure any of this. The block wires the entire media pipeline for you. Because it's reserved as HLS, the same format the big platforms use, anyone can watch your broadcast back, in any browser, or embed it straight into a web page with a single link. No apps to download. No accounts to create. It simply plays. But here is where it gets clever. Type a question into the block, and press Regenerate. Gemini transcribes everything you have been saying, and answers it, right there. It fills an answer port, and a live transcript port, that you can wire anywhere in your diagram. Your stream doesn't just broadcast, it understands. And that transcript is always on. A background process listens as you speak, turning your words into text every few seconds, accurate and up to date. It's never reprocessing the whole recording, so it stays fast, no matter how long you have been live. Perfect for captions, notes, or feeding the next block. Because those outputs are just data, you can compose with them. Feed the transcript into an AI agent to reason over it. Send it to a summarizer for rolling highlights. Trigger an alert on a keyword. In minutes, you have built a live intelligence pipeline, visually, with no code at all. Let's make it real. Picture a live product launch. You're on camera, presenting. In the same moment, the block is captioning what you say, answering viewer questions from your own words, and saving the highlights for later. One block, doing the work of an entire production team. And streaming is a team sport. The moment you go live, everyone in the shared diagram sees your broadcast, right on the block, labeled live, with your name. You watch and listen, together, in real time, whether they're in the next room or on the other side of the planet. And it's private by design. Stop the block, and it's gone. The camera is released, the server process ends, and the session is deleted. Nothing is stored, nothing lingers. What happens live, stays live. So why do teams reach for it? Zero setup, one click, and you're on air. Artificial intelligence, built into transcribing and answering as you go. Real-time collaboration, everyone watching together. And private by default, because your data is yours. It's powerful where it counts, and simple everywhere else. Think of everything you could build. Live news analysis. Remote teaching. Team stand-ups. Product demos. Live monitoring. Field reporting. Anywhere a live feed meets a question, the stream block fits right in. So go ahead. Drop a stream block on your canvas, and go live in one click. See it. Hear it. understand it, live. Graphics. Build live, together.